Hello everyone, my name is Spandan Barve and I'm participating in the Avalanche Frontier hackathon with my teammate Ria. And this is our submission. It's called Nest. What Nest is, it's a privacy first, fully decentralized communities platform built on Web3. It's completely on chain, and since it's privacy centric, every data that you post is completely encrypted. So in order to get started, first we'll connect the wallet, and we are using Particle Connect in order to do user authentication. For demo, I'll just use MetaMask. So now our wallet has been connected. So let's get started.
So initially it would ask me to create a Nest account. What Nest account is basically it's a way for every community which has been created on Nest to identify you. I'll quickly fill in my details.
So I have filled in some details. As you can see, for now we're just taking in the image URL. It's planned to eventually do it so that you can just upload your image and it will be stored to IPFS. But for now, for demonstration purposes, we are just taking in the image URL directly, so you can use any link that you have. So let's proceed. So this is the communities page. I am already part of a community. If I want, as you can see from here, I can join a community. So basically someone can invite me to their community, and if I just put in the address, I'll be joined to that particular community. But for our demo, let's try and create a community. These are the details which we are taking in about a community. I'll fill these three in quickly. So I've filled the name and description, and again we are taking in the image URL. It will be eventually linked to IPFS. We also have this option where you can pick a color theme for your community. So these are like colors which will represent your community, and that's how the entire page for your community will be styled. So I'll quickly try and make a theme which I think will look good. So I've created this color theme. I think this will look good, and this is how our community page will appear to everyone. Next up, there's this option where we can add reactions. What reactions are is basically if anyone creates a post on the community, others will have the option to react to that particular post. We can disable it if we don't want anyone to react to anyone's post, but let's say that we want to. So I'll just add out of our provided ones. We can have at most 6. So for this particular demo, I'll be adding all 6. And I can even colorize them according to how I want them to look. So now that we have all the data filled in, let's confirm. So here we are. This is what our communities page is looking like. I can't really post right now since I don't have any members. So I'll quickly ask my teammate Ria to join this community. So first I'll have to invite her. I'll use this. I'll just paste in her address. So this has fetched her Nest profile and I can invite her. And now that she has been invited, she can join using the community address. So I'll copy the address from over here and I'll share this to her. And while she's joining, let's take that time to create a network. So what networks are? These are like communities within your communities. These are like groups where people can post their content. So I'm creating, for example, this Web3 gaming related community. So I have entered the details for this network. So let's create it. So as you can see, our network has now been created, and let's wait for Ria to join.
Hey everyone, this is Ria. So Spandan invited me to his crypto gamers community. Let's try joining that community. I have the community's address with me. He shared it with me. Let's try joining the crypto gamers community. And there I am in the community. We have FPS lovers over here, the network. Let's go over there. I will try posting something in it. I am really not a fan of FPS. Let's try adding an image to it. We will provide an image link to it. As you can see, the image is provided over here. The preview is displayed. I will post it now. So my post is visible now. I can even share it with others. We have copy link option, WhatsApp option. I can also react to the post. I will react as the heart to my post. So the heart reaction is also added to the post. We also have the community's info over here, the description, the name, and the community theme and the community emotes. We can also copy the community's address over here. So that's it from my side, guys. I will hand over back to Spandan.
So as I noticed, Ria has joined and she has made this post. So I can view the details of the post and I can even make a comment. So I'll quickly make a comment. So there, as you can see, I have made my comment. I'll also quickly just make a post. So this is all the content that we have on our community within these two networks. So what I'll quickly do is ask Ria to join the same community with her another account. I'll invite her.
So we are on a different account now. I will try joining the crypto gamers community through this account as well. We are into the community now. As you can see, the posts are not visible to me as I joined the community after they were posted. So I will also try posting something through this account and that will be visible to them. Back to Spandan.
So yeah, and as expected, the post which she made is visible to me, and that's it for our demo. And we're also planning to implement the chat feature soon. Now let's take a look at how all the encryption works. So for encryption, what we're doing is simple AES, but how the actual key exchange happens is it's a slightly modified version of the Diffie-Hellman key exchange. What we are doing is to allow the same key to be shared within multiple parties of the same community. As soon as someone sends a request to join, a new master key is generated and the user using everyone else's public key, whoever are in the community, generates a shared key among them using their own private key and then encrypts that new master key for each and every other fellow user that they have. And then what happens is that this is published, and after all these keys are published, since this has to happen completely asynchronously, whenever another user comes back, logs in, they can assemble the new keys which the newly joined user has published. And in the end, as expected, everyone has the newly generated master key and it's encrypted. So the new post which they make, they use the master key to encrypt that. That was it from our side for the video. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.